Spain says it is committed to cutting its huge public deficit, but that is bringing more pain back to the country sick. New legislation will see patients paying a bigger part of their otherwise state-subsidized medicines. And activists are warning of possible dire consequences. Roy Rutenberg reports.
The Ramon y Cajal Hospital in northern Madrid serves the area's nearly 500,000 residents with just 1,000 beds. Until recently, its services have all been free, but government cuts, staff say, will mean less beds for patients and less health workers attending to them. They say the government is using Spain's economic crisis as an excuse to privatize the country's notoriously generous social health care system.
The government has the option of asking for the money from those who have taken it away, the banks, the wealthy and the big corporations, and regulate the financial system so that there is money for the public services.
This clinic tests people for HIV and will now see much of its state funding disappear too.
There will be less money to test people, we're going to diagnose less infections, and we'll have less people knowing that they have HIV. This is going to be more expensive for the health system than investing in prevention.
Last month, the association which oversees such clinics warned the government of the future costs in treating an increased number of patients, costs it says the government failed to calculate. Now that's similar to a warning echoed by Spain's pharmacies, which have seen government subsidies for medicines drop by some 40%. More than 400 prescriptions that Spain's residents are used to receiving for free are now no longer subsidized. And in some regions of the country, the government has simply stopped paying pharmacists for its part of the bill, prompting some to shut their doors. Government officials declined an interview request, but say the cuts are necessary. They predict such moves will make healthcare more cost-efficient. But some say when it comes to people's health, in the long run, such cuts are a matter of life and death. Roy Rutenberg, CCTV, Madrid.